so many stresses of being in hospital. First and foremost is worrying about your child who's sick because they're in hospital, they're unwell, they're poorly, and some of the children are extraordinarily unwell.
It's great to see the bike ride with people with all different backgrounds coming together and trying to help people for charity. And this year in 2011 we're doing it for Wellchild. So come and join us for the ride of your life and also your personal journey for success.
Lucy introduced herself that she would be able to help organise things that we needed for Angus, and she asked me all the type of things that Angus would be needing.
When I ask any of the children, what do you want me to do? Just get me home. That's the message, loud and clear.
23rd to the 24th of July. See you there!